in New Orleans. Let me say Nolans, that's the correct pronunciation. And we're just having such a wonderful time preparing for Win the Storm coming up in 2021. I've been involved with Win the Storm since the second one. When we were really small, I think we had like 150, 200 people there. So what have I gotten out of past years of Win the Storm? I would say that our company gets more bang for the buck and a better return on investment being a vendor at Win the Storm than any other event that we're involved in by far. We get more clients and we meet more people and have more relationships than with any other event. One thing that sets Win the Storm apart from all the other events that occur throughout the year is fun. We have more fun at Win the Storm than any of the events that goes on. Sign up now, go onto the website, get some tickets and show up because you are going to miss out if you don't. It's going to be in New Orleans. Are you kidding me? The greatest city in America. So I'll see you guys there.